In this video, we're going to show you how to enable your microphone on iPhone and toggle access per app. All right, so the first step is to open settings on your phone. Open the settings app. Step 2 is tap privacy. It is under battery. Step 3, tap microphone. It is under Bluetooth sharing and photos. And step 4, toggle access per app. So here you're going to see your app that can use the microphone option on your the microphone feature. On your iPhone. And here you can toggle, turn it off and on. So Facebook, Instagram, Google Maps, where you could just use your audio, use your voice to say, "Hey, I want to go to this place or that place." And yeah, once they're all toggled, then you're good to go. You're all set. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.